Hey everybody, Tom Guile at the Guile Group. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, bringing you the latest real estate and market information for the Portland metro area. This week, I'm going to jump right into the numbers because they are the economic story of the week. So let's go take a look. Looking at new listings for the week, they're up at 610 units. That's up 5.4% for last week. Pending sales actually did tick down a little bit, but when you look at it overall, the overall trend for pending sales is up over the last about 6-8 weeks. So looking at some good trends there. Lockbox opens continue to climb. They're at 20,000 opens for last week. That's up 8.1% for the week before. So take a look at the graphs here showing this information, and let's jump over to the historical information. And this is where I really love looking at graphs because they paint a great picture. It's easy to conceptualize what's going on. So when we take a look at the historical information here, you can see that new listings continue to trend up, and we're closing that gap between where they are this year and where they're at last year. We're actually within 16% of the listing activity where we're at from 2019. So that's great news. And when we take a look at pending sales, last week we crossed the threshold from 2019 sales, and we are again above 2019 sales for this week. So pending sales are now trending higher than they were a year ago. So that's great news for the Portland real estate market. Taking a look at prices, this is something we're going to want to keep a little bit of an eye on, and I think it's pretty specific to certain markets in the Portland metro area. The median price has ticked down for 2 weeks in a row, so we're going to keep our eye on this. It's now down at $420,333 this last week. So you can see that is down a little bit from where it's been in weeks past. So we're going to do some digging and just keep our eye on this and see if we can pinpoint what's driving this blip, and I think it's going to be a blip. Sales activity overall has been really strong. We've been working with a number of buyers over the last several weeks, and especially in that entry-level price point, or that price point under about $450,000, it is very competitive out there. I actually wrote an offer for a client over the weekend. We were one of 13 offers on the property, and it went for well over asking. So that's really where we're at. Continue to follow us on social media. We're posting information all the time, and just useful information both on the market, local businesses here in the Tualatin and the Portland metro area. So just reach out to us if you have any questions. We'd love to talk to you about that. We're all working here together, and we'd appreciate your call.